Hey everyone, it's Erin McMurtry here, inspiring you to create a healthy that's fun, flexible, and empowering. Today I'm going to show you an awesome DIY project where you can make fun Christmas present tags and ornaments for your tree at home. So let's get started. What you'll need to get started is watercolors, paintbrush, a cup of water, a pencil, a Sharpie or a black marker, an eraser, scissors, tape, and watercolor paper. I use 9 by 12 inch sheets and cut them into quarters. Decide what you're gonna draw and then draw it out in pencil on one of your little watercolor squares. Once you have your pencil drawing the way you like it, trace over with your black marker or Sharpie. Once you're done with your Sharpie, erase all the extra pencil lines you see so that you don't see them when you paint. Now you're ready to paint, so grab your watercolors and your paintbrush and your cup of water and get your paintbrush a little wet with the water and start painting. You can play around with the water on the paintbrush to make your colors more vibrant or more transparent. And have fun with this. Feel free to mix colors and get creative. With watercolors, you can create more depth by putting in a lighter color first and letting it dry, and then going in again with a darker color. So once your painting's dry, now you're gonna go in and cut around the outside with your scissors. So once it's cut out, I like to go around and touch up with my Sharpie just the little edges that are white, or like right here you'll see some white sometimes, so I just like to touch it up a bit. So now that we have it cut out and touched up, we're gonna turn it into a gift tag and a Christmas ornament. Cut off about a 6-inch piece of ribbon. So take your ribbon and make a little loop with it and cross it over the front like this. And then take your piece of tape and just put it right in the middle. And then you just tape it to the back. So you have this nice little loop you can use for a Christmas ornament, and you can tie it onto your ribbon and make it a gift tag. Here's some of the ones that we made. So you can go real simple with this and just choose words like joy, or do names for name tags for gifts. This is a really fun way to just add a little homemade loving touch to your gifts and your Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have fun trying out this little DIY activity, and I hope you use it as some inspiration to get creative in the holiday season. And if you'd like to connect more with me and find out what I'm up to, you can go to erinmcmurtry.com. Bye!